go. So we were in fact lucky enough to score reservations at the Carnaby. I'm just doing a little first impressions. And we did score a seat on the balcony, so we should be able to see the fireworks here momentarily. So the theme is very much 1960s swinging London. Ooh, the prime rib tart. That looks mighty amazing. Oh, yeah. They do have a cocktail lounge. Limited seating. But it's a nice looking bar. And as you can imagine, plenty of British theming throughout. And playing the music. I have got a glass of Prosecco and Mama got a glass of Bordeaux.
Yum.
Yay. And we of course ordered the fish and chips and the beef Wellington.
Yeah.
And we're going to finish up with sticky toffee pudding because, you know, you got to get the best. Woo!
Alright, I'll pour about half of it into this window here.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect. Yum. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Wow. Spin that around. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think this is going to be a little bit all right. So I have wonderfully battered fish, tartar sauce, triple cooked chips, which are basically just French fries. It looks like they don't look like real chips. And mushy peas. Yay. And we also got the beef Wellington with a demi-glace and mashed potatoes, a little bit of tossed herb salad. So the fish is unbelievably light, super, super flaky, tender, delicious. And the batter is really, really nicely seasoned. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that.
Yeah, I could hear it.
Tamara can hear it across the table. Oh man, that's good. That's a little different than mushy peas I've had in the past. There's a very herby vegetable component.
Very herby.
Yeah, very, very good. I'm not sure if is that peas?
Yeah, it's mushy peas.
Oh, that's good. Let's dig into their main event. We're gonna give that Wellington a little taste. This is just plain without the demi-glace on it.
Yeah, it's really tender.
Unctuous, rich, tender.
Very tender.
Nicely seasoned. That's good. Do a little drizzle of the demi-glace.
The demi-glace is ridiculously good.
And we'll give that another shot. All right, a little bite with the demi-glace. Oh.
Yeah, the demi-glace is really
The
good.
depth of flavor on that is off the charts. That is unbelievably ridiculous. What do you think of the fish?
That's amazing. Oh my god.
Yeah. Super crispy, super light.
So light. Super crispy. Perfectly seasoned. It's very
Yeah, it
good.
is very nicely seasoned, the fish. The batter itself,
The batter is
very
amazing.
nicely seasoned.
And the tartar sauce is really good.
I haven't tried the tartar yet, but man, this is good. This is good. And so far, I got to tell you, I recommend.
Highly
Recommend. Yeah. So we're going to get into this now. So obviously the beef Wellington is Gordon Ramsay's sort of signature dish. Really brought it back into vogue big time, and he's all but perfected it. But I am here to tell you that the secret star of the show is that frickin' fried fish.
The fried fish.
That is hands down the best fried fish I've ever had in my whole life. I would come back just for that. Just for that. Wow. The hallway down here. More art on the walls and the restrooms, and then there's a whole other seating area and a whole other full freaking bar out here. Sorry. Look at this. Gorgeous. Ooh, look at that corner table right there. Right across from the Disneyland Resort, right here by the entrance security to downtown Disney. What a neat spot. Wow. Huh. Cool.
I'm gonna pour hot on
Oh
right.
yeah.
Ooh,
Oh
pretty.
my god.
Oh my.
Y'all enjoy.
Fabulous. Thank you.
Boy. Sticky toffee pudding. Oh yeah.
Oh my.
Going in on this. Oh, this is apparently Gordon Ramsay's mother's recipe
Stop
that
your
he
mouth.
grew up with. Let's see what this is all about. Come on.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
That is the definition of decadence. That is moist, warm, gooey, ooey, rich. Oh my god, it's ridiculous.
So good.
I don't even. So it's almost like a very moist, dense, but somehow also light.
Yeah, I know. That is
Like a
so
spice cake.
good. That is ridiculous.
Oh, and a little
So
prosecco to go with. Wonderful.
you.
And the caramel sauce is just, I mean, that is spoonfuls of rich, velvety, toasty.
Yes,
Oh my
nice.
god.
I can't do it.
Unbelievable. Look at that ooey gooey
It is
hotness
amazing.
of amazing. Oh yeah. Just look at that. Oh my god. Come on.
I know, it's amazing.
Alrighty, gang. Some final thoughts on that. I am here to tell you.
It was
I mean,
amazing.
top five, maybe top three meals of my life. That fish completely and utterly stole the show. I didn't think it could be top until we got the sticky toffee pudding, and that was goddamn ridiculous, unbelievable. Hands down the best fried fish I've ever had in my life.
Yeah.
I've had full-on, fish and chips in London, England, and this, Gordon,
Amazing.
you've done it right.
Yes.
Good Lord.
Great service.
Michael,
Atmosphere
wonderful
was great.
service. The atmosphere was spectacular. I cannot wait to come back and explore
Yeah.
more of the menu. It's going to be hard not to get that fish every single freaking time.
But they are
That's
going to be open for lunch very soon.
the
they said,
very
and
soon
then
for lunch and then eventually for breakfast. So we'll have to come over for a proper English fry up
Oh, you will love
for
it.
certain. Yeah, oh, God knows. But wow, highly cannot recommend enough. Come and see the Gordon Ramsay at the Carnaby. Absolutely worth it. Expensive, yes. You're in Disneyland, and it's a Gordon Ramsay restaurant.
Yeah.
You're not eating here every time you come to Disney. It is an experience. Wonderful. Cannot wait to come back. Wonderful. Hope you guys enjoyed watching.